everyone, welcome to the 7th video on Could Be. Today we'll be learning about variables. So, variables are containers. Now, in this set of videos, we're going to split it into two parts. The first part is about the simple parts. The second is about making a list and cloud variables. So, let's get started. So, in the first video, you may have noticed that I've put in score as a variable. Quite simple, right? Well, for those of you who haven't seen my first video, here it is. So score, change it by 1, put this to score, and then it just adds that, set score to 0 there, and then just put that here and put this here. Simple. So press this and then put that. So whenever this is clicked, we should set the score to 0, otherwise let's say if I put it to 10, then if I press this again without set score, then it would sort of like continue from 10. So that's like an important part that we need. The other thing that's quite good on Scratch is the fact that variables can be put into any of these things. So we'll go to variables, make a new variable, and I'll call this, well, this is for one sprite only, to Scratch the cat. So input. Good. So you got input. Now we would set input. I'll get this. So set input to pick random 1 to 10. So you can add in a few things. And now we'll put in an if then else. So else means the opposite of what's going to be inside here. So and well, some of you may think this is possibly easier, but I would opt out for this. This thing, it looks quite hard. I mean, I thought it was impossible when I first joined, but I understood it. So if something then. So we want if. Now, we don't want this. I got mixed up. We wanted an equals. So if input equals to answer. Now you're probably wondering, what's answer? Well, answer is this thing right here. So we'll put that there, and we'll put ask what's the number? Perfect. So you got what's the number thingy. Now if input equals answer, then we wanted to say you did it. You did it. Did it. So we got you did it, and then stop all. And stop all is like just stops everything. Nothing, moves or does anything, in fact. So we will make it say you did make it. Try again. Perfect. And then now we would get another sensing, and pretty obvious. So this is actually possibly the best thing that I've ever done. Now if you feel bored, after this I would send a video on how to get 1k subscribers. And for you who doesn't know, K, it means 10,000 and 20,000 those. So I'll send that if you're, feeling bored with this video or any of my videos, to get popular. So ask what's the number and wait. And we would put in a forever to sort of like, get that momentum and then try it. So if I type in 3, doesn't do it. If I type in 2, doesn't do it. 2, Now it does it. So let's try that again. 9, 5, 3, 2, 2. Okay, so it says it over here, but there's tiny glitches because right now on this day there's a little glitch with Scratch, so something happened. So yeah, it's not really running up to notch. But don't worry, it'll get fixed. So yeah, we learned how to do it, and to hide that bit, pretty simple, nothing too complicated. Just press this, and that's it. We can also hide score. But I'll keep score and input. So yeah, we learned how to input, use it into sensing. Now, I'll show you its hidden side. So we'll create a new variable, and I'll call this variable size for all sprites. Now, size. Now, right-click it, and you'll see these. Large one just puts in only the number. Slider, it's possibly the best. Quite the best. So size is up to 100. It's anything, So we will set size to set size to 0. You'll get an if then else. We'll put an if then else block. If then, so if size is smaller than 50, we want it to go bigger. That sounded like giga, but so size is bigger than 50. Then it should sort of like go bigger. So change size by 10. Change size by minus 10 if it's under 50. So check it. Now it's not working mainly because we haven't added in our forever. Might need another. These. There. Let's check it. Now they obviously got mixed up. I wasn't never so good in. So yeah, we will just put this down to 100. Oh, that's tiny. Yeah, normal size. So yeah, we learned everything that we needed to do. But